Alrighty then. When you take this tensioner out, it's gonna need to be reset again, and when you push it back in, you'll notice that it won't clip, right? So it just doesn't clip. So the first thing we need to do is just remove this little collar. So just get under it and just pull it up. All right, when you pull it up, you're going to see a little clip that goes on the teeth. You just pull that out. All right, the next thing you'll notice here is at the top, there's this little ring, little O-ring that is sitting here. We're going to need to pull that all the way down to the bottom again before we can reload it. So we have the rung that it's sitting in. Then we have a second little rung down here. Okay, we don't want to get it to there and then stop and then reset it. There's a third rung which goes all the way to the bottom over here. So we'll take this little hook, right? We'll get it under it. And then we just drag it. Just keep dragging it. Drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it. All the way around. So there you can see that it's got to the first rung. And then we just want to keep on going until we get this thing to pop over. All the way to the bottom. So it's gone the other way now, but there we go. So you can see that this has gone from the top, and now we're sitting at the bottom here. And then once it's sitting on the bottom, I'm just going to put it on a flat surface. And then I found a little trick, because I struggled with this a lot. I've kept getting it to this stage and pushing it in, and if you over push it, if you don't get it just right, with just the right tension and just the right hold, it overextends and it unclips again on the way out. And I figured out that just placing the stop here is like no brain work, no feel involved. All you do is just push it and it clips in straight away. So there we go. So now it's reset and it's ready to be put back together. So we just grab our little clip again. All right, it can only go in one way. If you put it in the wrong way, you'll see that you'll feel it won't sit flush. All right, so you'll notice that the groove end is pointing towards the nut. All right, and then we grab our collar again and we just want to slot that over. Bit of a fiddle. All right, so there we go. That's all clicked in. Okay, and there we go. That's your tensioner reset and ready to go. So when you put it in the chain and you just give it a little bit of pressure, the chain's going to push in. It's going to push in there. You'll hear that clip, and then it's going to hold, right? And then it's going to come out as your chain gets looser and looser. And that's the way your tensioner is. So now it's out again, so like when I pull it out, and it'll need to be reset if I want to reuse it. But you can reset this thing over and over again, and it's pretty good to go. So yeah, hope that helps someone.